Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're moving and shaking. We out here in these streets today. Woo! We got our coffee. We got our Yeti that keeps everything cold or hot. If you have not checked out my online projects to see what I got going on online, go to the link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out. See what I got going on. All right, as I mentioned to you guys before, that we got our online business that we've been doing, right, for quite some time. We've been an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer for, oh my goodness, over 10 plus years, right? But I decided recently as well, and that will continue, okay, because digital is the way to go, guys. If you're looking to make money online, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, it is the way to go. These done for you systems, they're already set up. All you got to do is plug into what's already there and follow the blueprint. It's already been proven. Everything I've promoted has already been proven. I've shown you proof that I've made money with it. I've shown you the community have made money with it. So it's just a matter of you getting started to do the same, right? You got to take action. Watching everybody is not going to help you move forward. You've got to take action. You've got to make the steps, because we already put the blueprint out there. It's laid out. Just get in and go, right? But what I decided was to also expand offline. I've got colleagues, I've got people that I know that actually are making money using their vehicle, right? And there's so many programs out there, apps. You know, we know all the public apps that you can go on your phone and download, your DoorDashes and all that. That's great too. But there's also companies you can connect with, and this is independent contractor, okay? I like to stay in the independent contracting mode, all right? Just like the online businesses, we're independent contractors, okay? So this is very similar. The difference is I'm out and about, right? And I still can do this on my own terms, my own time. And there's companies that will pay you. This is a business. As a matter of fact, now you can make money. Your car can make you money versus your car just sitting, right, in the garage or sitting in the parking lot, not making you any money, but you still got to pay for car insurance. You still got to pay your car note, right? And it's not making you any money. But guess what? I can put this to work as well. While I'm out and about, my online business is going to be working for me 24/7 because I set up an automated system, regardless. All right? Regardless. As long as I have that set up, I continue to promote online, people will find the information. That's what I like about a digital footprint, right? So anyway, I've started to expand and tap into this. I'm exploring this, okay? It's always great to explore other opportunities. So I'm open to it. And I've been doing it for a couple weeks now, right? And it's pretty cool. It's good, too, to be out from in front of the computer. This is where you guys have seen me for over 10 years behind the computer or smartphone, right? So you can actually get out, guys, and the things that I've been doing is each transaction, each A to B is a transaction, right? So these companies will pay you. They're looking for independent contractors. You can go do your own research. I'm not here to shout out a specific company, but just know independent contracting drivers using your vehicle. It could be whatever car, it doesn't matter. It could be an SUV, it could be a van, all those things, but you can actually use a car, right? And it hasn't been anything major. You know, a couple boxes here, an envelope here. I mean, and you're getting paid to do that. Again, on your own time. So this could be a side hustle, right? You can add this to what you're already doing. and you can make a video, right? And post it on social media, guys. All right. And I've been seeing a lot of people that I haven't seen before come out and do videos now too. So again, that's another way to promote your opportunities, social media. Okay. So I thought I'd just come out, let you guys know I'm out and about. It's Friday. It's Freedom Friday. I got my coffee and we're kind of just moseying along. Okay. Going out to get the dough. What did they say back in the day? Time to make the donuts, right? So I think it's great. It's great. So just be open-minded. All right. You are the only person that's holding yourself back. That's the thing. People get in their head that they can't do something. Oh, I'm too old. I don't know technical. Guys, it's unlimited. It's so many opportunities out here that you can choose from. And I decided to tap in with Car Chronicles, getting in the car, getting out, because this is something I was doing for a couple weeks now and I haven't talked about it. All right. And I decided, hey, why not talk about it? So another way that I'm earning offline, and you can do the same too. Go check into it. Meanwhile, again, go check out my opportunities that I have online. If you're interested in making money online, we show you step by step. Doesn't matter how old you are. Doesn't matter if you're not, you think you're not technical. It's not that deep. Trust me. Matter of fact, I just posted a video yesterday of a gentleman, 63 years young. Okay. He is a physical therapist. And he said, I'm tired of being a physical therapist. I love what I do. I've helped a lot of people, but it's the same old grind. And he's, having to basically clock in. Now he can work 2 to 4 hours a day when he wants and earn 100% commission. Okay. Put money in your pocket instantly. Promoting training. Okay. This is training courses to teach people how to make money online. I mean, done for you. Can't get any better than that. Anyway, just wanted to tap in. Go check out what I got going on at www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, see what it's all about. Smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.